Yo, welcome to the lab. It's DaHomie Beats. We're gonna be recording. We're gonna be creating beats. We're gonna be going for a project. We're gonna be almost dropping that new beat project. September 16th, Soma Jamz comes out. I already found a little piano pattern that I'm gonna go with, so let's go with that. Alright, stay tuned, we're back at it. We're gonna continue working on the beat, see what we got so far, listen back. And yeah, I gotta remember I gotta stay in front of the mic so you can hear me. But alright, let's listen to what we got. Alright, so that's what we got so far. Also, for next video, I'll record the screen. Remind myself to do that. Alright, and that's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. We got the MK3 machine that we've been doing all the work on. And yeah, man, this is fun. Like I said, I've never done this type of drum rhythm before too, so like these type of beats, these are different to me out of my domain, so it's been fun. Let's see what else we create, the whole project as a whole. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, all that stuff. Thank you guys. Peace.